Okay, so I grabbed about 30 pumpkin buckets from Walmart and then I had to remove all of the stickers. I used a hairdryer for around 15 seconds and that made it so much easier to take off. The next thing I did was prep my buckets to go in the tree, and I had to do this by drilling drainage holes in all of them. So I used the largest drill bit that I had in my drill and I went in and did about 5 holes for each one, 4 on the sides and then 1 in the center. It's actually pretty easy to drill through the pumpkin, and you definitely want to do this. That way the rain doesn't collect in the bucket as it's up in the tree. I want to share a few tips and things that I learned along the way. Number 1, if you don't like ladders, find someone who does because you definitely need one to get these in your tree. Number 2, use clear fishing line. This will help to kind of disguise and give it more of a floating effect. Number 3, place your pumpkins facing all different directions. This way, if someone is driving by or walking on the sidewalk, or if you just want to see them from your own house, then everybody gets to enjoy the tree. I'm not even sure what tip number I am up to at this point, but I do want to say I found that putting the fishing line over the branch first and then knotting around the pumpkin was the way to go. Especially when working with height, it made me have to reach up less than I would have if I wanted to knot around the tree every time. So that's really all there is to it. You just kind of, hang them in the tree, but they look so good in the day and they're so cute and friendly, but lighting them up, it was actually a very different story. So we ended up using these LED lights that we used last year in our Halloween decor. So I know that they are waterproof, weatherproof, and they work great, but they do come where you have to set them on a timer. So I clicked the timer on at the exact time for all of them, so every night they come on at the same time. You could obviously get lights that light up with a remote. It might be a little easier, but this is the tree at night. It adds so much glow and so much fun to our home. We're actually in our town's Halloween decorating contest, so we will be adding to our home over the next few days and try to get it up to a winning position. Let me know if you have any questions about this project. Be sure to subscribe for more, and happy Halloween!